Welcome to Next Installation. This video covers the key steps for a smooth, successful deployment, helping you avoid common issues and save time in the field. First, let's talk power. Next cameras are powerful devices, and they need the right PoE standard to operate properly. If you're installing a solo or duo, make sure your switch or injector provides 802.3 AT or 30 watts of power. If you're installing a trio or quad, you'll need 802.3 BT or 60 watts of power. Check your power requirements first to ensure a smooth install. Please try to mount the next base to a surface before connecting your sensors. Mounting the hub and fixture properly ensures the system initializes the way it's designed to. As you connect the sensors, keep an eye on the LED sequence. The lights aren't just indicators. They're a built-in installation guide. A correct pattern means you're on track. If something looks off, the LEDs can help you diagnose the issue right away. A couple of things to keep in mind. After the yellow/red alternating sequence, there will be no LED light for about 1 minute before it turns solid white. Do not unplug the sensor during this time. It's part of the normal boot-up process. A successful installation always ends with a rotating green light. If you're connecting next to a Navio, always add the network hub's serial number, not the sensor serial. For multi-sensor setups, follow the same process. Add the hub serial number and simply connect the sensors. They will automatically appear in a Navio. For on-VIF VMS users, remember to set a password and update the camera to the latest firmware before adding it to your system. Before leaving the job site, always check these 4 things. Confirm the camera is working in the VMS. Check positioning and field of view. Verify recording is enabled. Remove the protective warning stickers from the fixtures. And that's it. By following this simple checklist, you'll ensure your next installation goes smoothly. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact our tech support team. We're here to help.